radical. Lyrically acrobatic, allow excuse your attitude if your recitals are sabbatical, not mine. It's all talent like a minstrel. Don't sell out all your talent like a millennium minstrel, because our people existential, not living up to potential. But don't let this life kill your visual. Live life. Even though it's difficult, be thankful for your spiritual gifts, talents, and habitual traits, because it makes you who you are, real, not fake. So if anyone got a hate, tell them, ignorance, I can't relate, I'm brilliant. I ain't letting nothing hold me down, resilient. My complexities outstretch my capacities of those who ain't bad as me. It saddens me, because I am brilliant every day. My Father God really made me that way, hey, wonderfully and fearfully made every day. My Father God really made me that way, so conformity is not an option. My style ain't up for auction. I'ma do me till I die, so I get all up in my coffin. Cause Afrocentric me ain't gotta be who you say. I answer to the master, not to society. Hey, it's funny. They say you gotta look a certain way to move up the corporate ladder and to live successfully. Well, I say, keep your ladder. I can climb my own, like Jacob in the Old Testament, going to the throne of grace. I don't need the rules of this new world order. If it ain't uplifting people, it's out of order. Uplift with your gifts, whatever they may be, but in the process, don't fall into conformity. Be you. That's the only way to get what you have to offer. The world needs you. You have a purpose. You are awesome. Because you are brilliant every day. Your Father God really made you that way. Hey, wonderfully and fearfully made every day. And by the way, just let me say nothing wrong with being practical. But every day I thank the Lord for making me so radical. Spoken.